Nandanie Khan.
Spell it first.
Huh?
Spell it.
Nandanie.
Miss Khan, what happened here last night?
Okay, I was home and all we hear plunge in the river, right? Well, I thought a tree broken and fall in the water. So we just, we come out to see it, but then before we could reach, we see a light. And then we hear a vehicle in the water. And everybody just keep running out, and the people try to go down and save the person in the car, so we didn't know who it was. If it was a man or a lady, or who it was. Then the boys who went down, it had some Benny boys, and boys from around here, my nephew and my grandson, and Benny girl, all of them went down. And all of here a bang and she beat in the glass, because, well, it was a girl, right? So when she come on, she beat in the glass to get help. But they're asking for hammer now to break the glass.
Because you remember, they don't know what is the situation.
Yeah, and with that, they tried to go down under the water to feel for a door, anything to open, but they couldn't open anyway, because how the car went in, well, like everything was locked, you know. So they couldn't help her. They try all her, wreck her, stop, try to help, pull out. Nobody couldn't help her. When they take her out, then they know it was a girl. And when they see the baby cast it to the back, well, that was our next. If the baby was inside, or if the baby float away or what. So that was it.
They weren't able to find a hammer or something to mash the glass?
Yeah, they get the hammer, but the water is so muddy that you cannot see. And the current high. So that was happened there. And they try all out. When they do get her out, it was too late. She was under the water about hour almost.
Miss Khan, how many people would you say went in that water to help her?
Hey, about 5. Yeah. About 5 of them with the Benny girl. She went down below the water, you know, trying to get something to open there. And nothing come out. Nothing.
Tell me about the bridge. You all have a problem with that bridge. You think the problem is the way that bridge is there for the type of traffic in this area? You think that's the problem there? That she might not have been aware of how the bridge was?
Yeah, with the bridge too narrow for a double lane of traffic, right? Because that always built for one-way traffic. And we had a walkway there, and they come on the pave it, they cover the walkway too. So the bridge have a lot to pay with it too. But then again, on the other side of the bridge have a sink. So probably when